Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today's video is just going to be a super quick grocery haul, and I'm going to include a recipe that's quick, easy, and my kids love it. It shocks me every time that they eat it, but it is so good, and there's always tons of leftovers, which I love. So let's go ahead and get right on into the haul. Okay, to start off, I'm going to show you the big stuff that's on the floors. So I did get a 32 case of bottled water. We go through a ton of bottled water at night mostly. It just works for us. We do have filtered water as well. It just kind of depends what kind of mood we are in. I also did get 2 packs of this Roaring Waters Capri Sun. It's basically just like the flavored water, and it is Fruit Punch Wave. This is my kids' favorite, so I get that as an occasional treat for them, and this will probably last us like at least a month, if not longer. Neither of them really drink them that often. And then I did get a 24 pack of Sprite. If you haven't noticed in cleaning videos, I drink a lot of Sprite. I love Sprite. If I drink any soda, it's normally Sprite or Dr. Pepper, but I'm trying to cut out as much caffeine as possible. So I'm trying to just drink Sprite and not any Dr. Peppers or anything like that. Okay, now starting over here with the meat. So I did get 2 packs of these brats. They're just the Johnsonville ones. My husband throws them on the Traeger and smokes them, and they turn out delicious, and we eat them like lunch, dinner, anything like that. They're super good. Then I also got this pack of chicken breast tenderloin, so it is the strips. I sometimes just buy the strips because it's easier. If I know I'm planning on cubing them, it's easier to just get strips. So that's what I did do, and this is like 2.5 pounds. So I'll probably separate this and make this into a few different dinners. I did get some sub rolls for sandwiches for lunch. Me and my husband like these like hoagie roll type bread for sandwiches. And then I also got for sandwiches some ham for my husband. I got turkey for me, and then salami also for my husband. And then I'll also snack on it, but he likes this as snacking and on his sandwiches as well. So moving on to the produce, I did get 2 packs. I ordered 1 pack, but I guess they were out of stock of that one, so they gave me 2, and so I have way more than I planned. So I might end up making like a stew or something with it, because my kids do like snacking on them, especially dipped in ranch. So, and I like getting these ones because they're already ready to eat, so it just makes it easier, less prep that I have to do. And then I also got 2 packs of grapes. We go through a ton of grapes. This one does not look very good. They may not last long. I mean, you can see they're kind of pretty banged up, but this one looks okay. But that's the price you pay for when you get it delivered and you don't get to pick it out on your own. I did get bananas. So I did get bananas. I typically like them greener, so I'm glad that they did give them green because they last longer, and I eat them when they're like freshly yellow. I don't like them when they have a bunch of brown on them. I also got 2 red onions. I got a pack. I don't know what you'd even call this, but basically a bunch of green onions. Some cucumbers. I got 2 cucumbers. Once again, snacking or even just dipped in ranch. And then this is the salad mix that I always get. So it's baby arugula. That's my favorite. And then baby spinach, because my husband doesn't mind the spinach. He's not a huge fan of the arugula, but he'll eat it when it's mixed with the spinach. And then I did get some grape tomatoes for salad or snacking, as well as some strawberries. My kids love strawberries. I love strawberries, so we go through a lot of them in the house. I did just get some normal grated Parmesan and a ginormous thing of sour cream. We go through sour cream like it's crazy. I don't know why. We just happen to go through it a ton. I did get this 4-pack of the blueberry yogurt by Chobani, as well as these go-go squeezes for my son. He's back into really liking these, and it is less messy. He's getting better about sitting at the table and eating them and not sneaking them everywhere and squirting them all over the place. So we're back on eating these every now and then he also really likes normal yogurt. I did get this pack of mac and cheese. It's mostly my daughter will eat it for like lunches and stuff now that it's summer. Quick and easy lunches. She's not a huge sandwich person, so that's something that she enjoys eating, as well as like these mini raviolis. Not the best for her, but she likes them, and I'll let her eat those on occasion for lunch. I did get, and this was another substitution, but I got cinnamon applesauce. I don't typically like off-brand applesauce. I have not tried Walmart's off-brand. I tried Target's and I did not like it at all. So I'll try it. If not, my son will eat them. He loves anything in a cup that he can spoon and eat himself. And then for the recipe that I'm going to be making tonight, I did get this bow tie pasta. So I'm going to show you later on in the video. It's a super quick and easy dinner, and it's made with the bow tie pasta, this pesto sauce, and the cream of chicken, and also with some chicken breast. It's super good, and I think you guys will love it. So I'm going to show you how I do that quick and easy dinner. I did just pick up 2 pepperoni pizzas. They're just the cheap Tombstone ones. Once again, for quick lunches, things like that. As well as some waffles. We go through a ton of waffles, especially now that it is summer. And the last thing that I did get was these flowers. I like ordering fresh flowers for the house. So yeah, definitely got some flowers. That way I can put them in one of my flower pots and bring a little bit more greenery into the house.
Got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck here. No one to blame this on.
Now I did start off cutting the chicken. This is how I think most people do it. It's how I always used to cut the chicken. And I was basically just trying to pull out as much of like that strip that goes along the back. I think it's tendons. I'm not quite sure what it is, but if you've cooked this, the tenderloins, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I started off with cutting it because that's typically what people do. But one little hack that I did want to show you guys is I typically use a pair of kitchen scissors. Now, most of my life, my kitchen scissors have always just been used to like open mail or cut paper, which is probably awful for them. However, one of my really good friends, she gave me the recommendation to use kitchen scissors basically to cut up like your toddler's food. And we started using that, and it was amazing. And I use these scissors all the time now whenever I need to like cut up meat into strips, anything like that. It works so quick, so easy, and it's still an easy cleanup because you're really just having to wash the scissors. So I definitely recommend trying that out if you have never tried it before.
I am stuck here, no one to blame this on, feeling so hopeless. I gotta find the way before it disappears. I cannot stay. I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure. Ooh, when did I get so blind? I didn't see this coming. Ooh, I should have heard faith calling, trying to pull me out. But how do I get out? Yeah, how do I get out? I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard
Now, if you are interested in trying out this recipe at home, I will leave the recipe in the description box. Like I said, it's super simple. I've even done it. The first time I ever had this was at a giant play date that we organized for a bunch of moms, and the kids all loved this, and basically all we did was cook the pasta and throw it in the crock pot for the day while all the kids played, and by dinner it was ready, and it was super easy. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.